I want to tell you about one of my favorite things lately, which is chia seed juice. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. It's real simple. And I found this at the grocery store. You've probably seen them at your local kind of Whole Foods or health food store type of thing where they already have prepackaged, like gelled kind of chia seeds. Well, they're just soaked chia seeds, but they get that kind of jelliness to them. In juice, and it's like $4 a bottle, and it's nutritious and delicious. It was a nice treat I was enjoying sometimes, but it I realized it'd be healthier for the environment and for me and my wallet to try making it at home. So I got a pound of chia seeds for like $5. This one's from Trader Joe's. I don't have any affiliation with them, but maybe I will try to put some links down there to some of this stuff. Most of the chia seeds, and those are certified. They've gotten cheaper because they're popular lately. And this says they're sustainably grown. I don't know exactly. I haven't researched what that means. But there's 120 calories per quarter cup serving, 9 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbohydrate per serving. 2 tablespoons, 24 grams. That's 14 servings in a pound, more or less. So as you heard, it's a little fatty, but to me, especially if I'm going to ingest sugar, I'm always trying to balance that with some protein and fat. So it's an ideal addition to some sweet juice for me, because I don't often allow myself or indulge in drinking sweet juice because it's just pure sugar. I have fruit pretty often, and indulge in a pastry or some ice cream now and then. Anyway, so I went and bought some juice. I just happened to buy what was available. This isn't even actual juice. It's like a punch with a 10% juice concentrate. Whoops. This was a nice... I'm trying not to show you the label because I don't want you to see what I bought. They weren't the healthiest out there. It just happened to be what I ran into when I was looking. And then this is my jar. It's almost empty. I just thought I'd show you so you can kind of see the consistency that I like. But you can adjust the consistency. So I've been putting about 1 serving in a jar this size, filling it about like halfway, the rest full, or one of these capfuls I used one time, worked out pretty good, of chia seeds dry, filling it to about half or so with juice, filling it to about 3/4 or so the rest of the way, leaving plenty of space, but with water, just because the juice is way too sweet for me, and then shaking it a lot, as much as possible, for a few hours. It's pretty much ready to go in a few hours, but overnight seems to be even better. I notice if I don't shake it enough at the start, then it gets some clumps or lumps. But if I shake that really rigorously, then those come apart as well. End up with, depending on the consistency, like this has been soaking overnight, and it's actually a mixture of some some peach, carrot, berry juice, as well as the chia seeds, and you can kind of see it makes almost like a puddingy kind of thick drink. I really like it. It's tasty and I like the texture. I'm going to be experimenting with some chia seed pudding with coconut milk and a little bit of sweetener and vanilla, and I will probably make a different video about that. If you have any other ideas or experiences or questions about chia seed, feel free to put those in the description. Again, this is just a quick sharing my beginner experience with making chia juice at home. So, for let's say $3 to maybe even $9, you could get a jug of really good juice. And then for, $5 to $10, you can get a pound of chia seeds, organic. And then mix those up, and you're going to end up with many gallons of chia juice instead of, or at least several quarts. So instead of $4 per 8 ounces or whatever those little bottles are going for. That's from me to you. As usual, you can find ways to support me and connect with me in the description. I hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, I wish you love, laughter, lightheartedness, peaceful conflict resolution, doing things yourself, doing them well. Don't forget to play every day.